So this is all one box in one video. It's my first time. Yeah. First, we're gonna start with snowing. So I'm gonna.
Baka bago pa mapumunta sa stage, tanggal na yun.
I spend a lot of time with this. Right now, this is my cat. Both of them are mine. And let me get the hat. This one looks so cute on the hat. Now let's search for the other one. Wow! Searching this one. Oh, found it. This is so cute. Even I got myself. This is for when I am getting them like this. Doesn't know the background sounds. Anyways, so now Donald won the hats, and I will now they won the hats. Here's what. Hey. Sorry. Here's what we look at. They're so cute, right? Stop annoying me. Anyways, now I am making a snowman. Meanwhile, my pets are tied into a bench. Look at me. I'm adding the yes eye. Here's where I am aiming. So this is what I look like when standing. Where's the another one? I forgot the back. I like it. I got Komomo. I want that to legendary. Next one. Get out of here. Get out of here. Some more. It's my favorite one because it has some of my favorite animals. Anyways, let's open it. Ready, set, go. Anyways, remember that. Always remember that Komomo on Komomo where I put it. Anyway, what's it? Hey, come back here. We got the pup. I got, let me guess, Komomo. Woo! Anyways, I got the C. Let's connect them together. Here's what the yolk together. I'm kinda sad I didn't get this one. But what did the other starfish go? This. Wait, what did the other starfish go? Where did it go? Oh. Found them, but where did the dolphin go? This one. Oh, found it. Here's what the dolphin looks like. The starfish. What do you get all together? Wait. The dolphin frog. What do you get all together? And the last one, last for best, ramen. No, it won't be for. Oh, we got chopsticks. What did the word say? I got Uncle Momo. That was better than Komomo.
Puti ko kumasize. Ganun nga size yan. Ay, wag na.
Oh, we got the bow and let me put it. Done. If we're using my bottom one, then I am actually faking drinking because it's actually paper. And this one is also gonna be faking eating, okay? I finished the ball. Bye! See you in my other video.